Alright, what's up guys? I'm back with another video today. Today we're gonna be reviewing the Turtle Beach Stealth 700s right here. These are actually for the Xbox One. There's some for the PS4. They're actually blue colored for the PS4, obviously. You know, we got the green color. Really nice packaging right off the bat. As soon as you buy these, it's gonna be telling you to update the headset firmware because there's frequent updates on this headset. So you're gonna need to download this app on your phone or on your laptop, on your PC. It's called Turtle Beach Audio Hub, and then from there you're gonna be able to update the headset, and from there you can also control your audio and all those different things. I'll show you guys in this video right now. I'll show you guys later. Let's get into the unboxing though. Alright, so right off the bat, I'm gonna take it off. Take off the tape. Alright, open this up. Oh crap, I just ripped the box. I'm so retarded. Damn, I cut the box from retarded. Alright, whatever. Get the bottom one. Alright. Let's open this up. Really nice packaging. Alright, let me take out this tape. You guys can see the box right off the bat. You're ready with the Turtle Beach logo. Really clean, just white, you know. And you open up the box, open up like a book. Here's the headset. Really nice. Really nice headset. Let's get this out of the box. So open this up. Alright guys, so here's the headset. Here we go. Right here. Some of this. Get this out. And we're greeted with a quick start guide, and we're greeted with the sticker and a USB charger, I guess, for the headset. This uses like an Android type of charger, but you know, this is always better. And so here's the headset, guys. It's really nice. Here, I'll put it on my head real quick. My head's too big. I need to extend it. There we go. I think it should be good. Alright. So you can see there's the mic right here. The mic, once you pull it out like this, you can talk, you put it up, you mute yourself, and once you pull it all the way back, it completely shuts off the headset. No, not the headset, just the mic. Alright, and then after that, here are the buttons. So right here, the first button is a superhuman button. I'm pretty sure you guys can't see that, it's just blacked out. But the first button is a superhuman. The second one is a Bluetooth, and the third one is a power on button. Then right here we have the different notches. The first notch on the top is the game volume, so you can actually adjust how loud you want the game to be and how low you want it to be. And the second notch right here is for the chat volume, so you know you can hear how loud people are and all of that. And so this headset is really nice. The earmuffs are really comfortable, but one thing that it does have is that, like, every headset has that. After a while, it starts like kind of getting irritating on your ears, kind of starts hurting, it just bothers you. But this headset is actually glasses friendly. Right here, if you guys push this down, I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera, but it's like there's like these things right here, like space for your glasses, I guess. As you can see, obviously I have glasses, and it doesn't really interrupt, my glasses doesn't start pressing against my face or anything like that. So this headset is actually glasses friendly. And here's a charger, and there's a sticker, tells you the website. So let's get on to the website. So I'm back. I actually just updated the headset. It's actually connected to my laptop right now, as you guys can see right here. Alright, so once you download the app, what's it called? It is called, if you're gonna download it on your laptop, it's called the Turtle Beach Audio Hub. I'll leave the link below for the headset, like to purchase the headset, and the link to the download for the app to update it, obviously. So I think it's gonna be inverted on the camera. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be inverted, but as you guys can see, disconnect the headset. I think it might. Yep. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Hold on, let me connect this back. Please tell me it works. Come on, dude. I'm so dumb. I don't know why it's connected it. Is it on? Oh yeah, there we go. It's loading the device. Here we go. Updating. Alright, so device is up to date, as you guys can see. Click OK. And in here we have the mic monitor level, and then we have the tones level, then we have the voice prompt level, the noise gate, audio preset, chat boost. Also, I actually don't know what all these different settings are. Obviously, maybe you guys do know, but you know, if you're trying to adjust the audio here, you can fix and all that. So yeah, I'll also, you can also do it on your phone. Oh no, I think I actually changed it because I forgot this laptop is up touchscreen. Alright guys, so that's actually gonna be the review for today. Let's connect this real quick. Oh god, shut my laptop off. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I did kind of, I kind of messed up some parts on this review, but please, if you guys did like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video in like 3 days. So thank you guys, I appreciate